What type of clear coat should I use over Rustoleum paint?
Hello and welcome to our step-by-step guide on selecting the right clear coat for your Rustoleum paint project. The choice of clear coat is crucial to ensuring the durability, longevity, and appeal of your paint job. Today, we're going to simplify this process for you and make sure your Rustoleum paint project shines for a long time.
Why do you need a clear coat?
The main role of a clear coat is to provide a protective layer over your paint. It shields the color from the sun's harmful UV rays, adverse weather conditions, and everyday wear and tear. The clear coat also enhances the paint's finish, adding a depth to its look and increasing the overall aesthetic appeal. Without a clear coat, your paint job might not stand the test of time.
What clear coat to use over Rustoleum paint?
Rustoleum itself manufactures a line of clear coats suitable for their paints. It's recommended to use a clear coat from the same brand to ensure compatibility and optimal results. When working with Rustoleum paint, a popular choice is the Rustoleum Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover Clear. This product provides long-lasting protection and is designed to adhere to plastic, metal, wood, and more, which makes it quite versatile.
Are there any alternatives?
While it's recommended to use a clear coat from the same brand as your paint, in some situations you might need to choose a different product. Always ensure that the clear coat you select is compatible with the type of paint you use. For instance, automotive enthusiasts often opt for automotive-grade clear coats for a high-gloss, durable finish. These can work with Rustoleum, but remember to always do a small patch test first to ensure good adherence and compatibility. Selecting the right clear coat for your Rustoleum paint project is a crucial step towards achieving a high-quality finish. By sticking to the same brand for both paint and clear coat, or by ensuring compatibility with an alternative, you'll be setting your project up for success. We hope this video guide has been helpful, and we can't wait to see your finished projects. Good luck, and happy painting!